Today, we are going to talk about the recently unveiled Galaxy S24 series and the buzzword that stole the show during its announcement: AI. Yes, artificial intelligence. We won't be delving into the AI features, assuming you're already familiar with them. So, what's the focus of this video? Well, you've read the title, so let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a big shout out to Samsung for unleashing their most advanced phone to date. It's no surprise that they're diving deep into the realm of AI, given the incredible capabilities it brings to the table. And guess who's providing the brains behind these AI features? None other than Google Cloud. I mean, who else could handle such a powerhouse, right? Now, what's particularly fascinating is that the Galaxy S24 is the first Samsung device to harness the capabilities of Gemini Pro and Imagen 2 through Vertex AI on the cloud. Let's dive into the details. Gemini Pro, designed from the ground up to be multimodal, is the brain behind the operation. It's not just about understanding one type of information, it's about combining text, code, images, and video seamlessly. Samsung native apps like Notes, Voice Recorder, and Keyboard will be tapping into Gemini's power from day one. Imagine summarizing text, recording voice notes, and typing away with enhanced predictive abilities. Thanks to Gemini Pro, it's all possible on the Galaxy S24. But that's not all, folks. Let's talk Imagen 2, Google's most advanced text-to-image diffusion technology. This powerhouse is integrated into the generative edit feature in the S24's gallery application. With generative edit, you can unleash your creativity in photo editing with intuitive features powered by Imagen 2. Just a heads up, to use this feature, you'll need a network connection, a Samsung account login, and a watermark will indicate that your masterpiece is AI generated. And here's a fun fact: Samsung is the first Google customer to test Gemini Ultra, Google's largest model designed for highly complex tasks. As a result, all Galaxy S24 models will be rocking Gemini Nano, an on-device language model, LLM, that comes bundled with Android 14. This collaboration between Samsung and Google Cloud is taking AI to unprecedented heights, and who knows, similar mind-blowing features might make their way to other Galaxy devices in the future. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech updates, and as always, thanks for tuning in.